This question belongs to data structure subject and was asked in GATE 1989. So the question states, which of the following statements are false? Option A, overlaying is used to run a program which is longer than the address space of the computer. Option B, optimal binary search tree construction can be performed efficiently by using dynamic programming. Option C, depth first search cannot be used to find connected components of a graph. Option D, given the prefix and postfix walls of a binary tree, the binary tree can be uniquely constructed. Let us see all the options one by one. So what is an overlay? So overlaying is basically a concept which is basically used to increase the address space usage when physical memory, like we have RAM as physical memory. When we have limited RAM, then overlaying is used to increase the address space usage when we have limited physical memory on the systems. So, but the question is asking overlaying is used to run a program which is longer than the address space of the computer. But overlay cannot increase the address space. Here the address space means the logical address space. Means the logical address space. Overlay cannot increase the logical address space. It is just used to run when the physical address is limited for us. Or we can also say that address space by default means the logical address space, and overlay is a technique which is used to run a program which is bigger than the size of physical memory or the RAM by keeping only those instructions and data that are needed at a given point of time, but it cannot increase the address space. Thus option A is false. Option B, optimal binary search tree construction can be performed efficiently by using dynamic programming. So what is a optimal binary search tree? A binary search tree is a normal binary search tree in which all the items less than x will come on the left, all the items greater than x will come on the right. Here will be less than x, here will be greater than x. So in an optimal binary search tree, we will be given an array of elements. They are the keys k1, k2, k3 and kn. They will be sorted and we will be given a frequency array. The frequency array tells what is the frequency at which we are searching k1, frequency of search of k2, frequency of search of k3 and frequency of search of kn. This frequency means suppose k key1 is searched f1 times in this binary search tree. So we need to construct such a binary search tree such that the overall cost of searching is minimum. For this, you can refer this link. This link is basically GLG link which tells the dynamic programming solution for this. So DP solution is possible for this. So this option is saying optimal binary search tree construction can be performed efficiently using DP. Yes, this is correct. Option C, depth first search cannot be used to find the connected components of a graph. This is false. Let us suppose this is a graph over here. We can have a graph like this, and this, let us suppose this is the entire graph with two connected components. So when we apply DFS on the graph, then DFS will start from this vertex, assume, so it will go to this vertex, this vertex, this vertex, then it will backtrack and will go to this vertex. We will also have a visited array. Let us suppose this is vertex 1, vertex 2, vertex 3, vertex 4, vertex 5, vertex 6, vertex 7. Vertex 1, vertex 2, vertex 3, vertex 4, vertex 5, vertex 6, vertex 7. So when we will visit, we will mark all of them as visited. 1, 2, 3 and 4 has been visited. Now the DFS call stopped. Now again we will check whether there is some non-visited vertex or not. Yes. So again we will call then we will come to know that this was a one connected component. Then again we will make DFS call on 5. So 5 will get visited, then it will visit 6 and then it will visit 7. Then again we will check whether there is some remaining non-visited vertex or not. No one is remaining. So this was connected component 2. So in this manner we can find the number of connected components using DFS, and it is saying it cannot be used. So this is also false. Option D is optimal binary search tree. Given the prefix and postfix walls over a binary tree, the binary tree can be uniquely constructed. We can construct a binary tree by the following combinations. We always need an infix expression. Infix can be paired either with prefix or with postfix. which means either we can have infix prefix pair or infix postfix pair, but prefix and postfix is not sufficient for this, so this is false. So we need to tell which all are false. So option A is false, option C is false, option D is false. So answer is option E.